Hey, what's up guys? Orange Ranger X here. Today we're back and we're doing more secret bases in Minecraft. Today we have a red, an orange, and a yellow. And before we play the guessing game, I'm gonna open this chest. Or I'm gonna break it for fun because I can. So we have another chest where I broke the chest. Okay, that's the chest. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this back where it was. A golden sword, a stick, and a golden apple. Okay. Where's my armor? Did I break it? Ugh. Fine. Why do I have a stick though? Why? Honestly, why do I have a stick? Well, let's just play the guessing game. Red could be something bad like Pennywise. Orange could be me or orange. There's not many orange things. Yellow could be a minion. Oh God, that was close. Okay. Slash weather clear. Weather clear. Okay, no more lightning. I think first we'll go into the orange one because I like orange. It could be me. Wait, why is there random diamond boots? Oh God. Okay. Quadja! Please live. At least my golden apple survived. Wait, what? Wait, what happened? I'm gonna go find. Where is it? Where is it? What happened? Did I forget to set my spawn? Wait, I think I see it. I'm setting my spawn point as soon as we get over there. I made a big mistake. Okay, enter / set world spawn, done. Okay, now I have to go back in survival. This is not going as planned. Survival. I think you have to momentum it because I think I saw a 4-block jump. Momentum. No! I want to know what's in the chest. I have to know what's in that chest. I just have to. I will know what's in that chest later. No! That golden apple still survived. I can eat it if I can get there. Why is there so much lava in it? Well, that time you know what? I'm going in creative to see what we have. I think you have to momentum jump it. I'm gonna try a momentum jump one more time. I can't jump. Okay. Momentum. Yeah. I don't know what whoever makes it. So it's enough. Oh, I guess so. It was me. It says it's an invisible mirror. Well, we'll go into the next one, and I'm gonna get myself a wooden sword. Why does it already say that? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go in survival, so we can do this. I'm going into the second one. Let's do it. I'm scared. Oh God, lightning! Well, I guess that is yellow-ish. But that wasn't funny at all. I'm scared for the red one. I'm actually seriously scared. It could be Pennywise for like the first time. Usually we don't have modded things, but I see a pressure plate, I think. It is! Oh my God, I was right! I'm out of here. Okay, that's scary. I'm going into this one. I'm going into this room. Okay, that's actually scary. Okay, I'm actually scared. I'm literally actually scared. If I see it, I'm gonna turn around. Okay, he's not here. There's no it. I was so scared. Okay. This chest is dying. So are these creepy signs. Okay. I need to find some kind of light source. I know how to make a light source. We have to break this block. And then break this block. And then we do that again and we can light the whole place up. Yeah! I need to start asking the people to make these longer. Huh. Well, that's over with. I'm gonna get a diamond pick. / give at s diamond underscore pickaxe. Yay! Now I'm gonna make a fire without flint and steel. I just have to take this apart and I'm gonna make a fire without flint and steel. And the best part about my fire is it's not gonna burn you to death. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1. Oh, I need one more. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we need 1, 2, 3. Now we need this and we need 2 more of the red ones. Okay, how do I get up there? Maybe I'll use a chest. Why don't I? I'll use a chest to get up there. Yeah, now we need this and this. And now we need some yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to be on the safe side, I'm gonna get a bunch more. Okay, I think this is enough. Bam, bam, bam. Fire! It's fire that doesn't burn. I need to break this and put that there. It looks kind of bad, but it's fire, I think. Huh. This looks terrible. I'm gonna go, what am I gonna do? Hey, look, it's a wandering trader. What kind of rip-offs do you have? Wow. Those are, like, cute. Wow. / give at s emerald. Wait. / give at s emerald 63. Enter. Now I have a whole stack. Then I can waste it on whatever I want. What am I gonna waste it on? Everything. I'm gonna buy everything. I need more. / give at s emerald 300. Now I can buy whatever I want. Yeah. Now I'm gonna trade for everything. And get level 2. Wow, he has a lot of ferns. These. Wait, I can buy more? Yeah, I want to buy more. I'm gonna buy everything. Can you get level 2 with this guy? Well, I'm out of trades, so now can I trade with you? How am I gonna trade with you if you literally have nothing else to trade? I don't care. You know what? That'll wrap it up for today's episode, I guess. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.